Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I am so happy that you are here. In today's Kundalini yoga practice, we are going to be doing part 1 of warrior workout. Bring your hands together into prayer, landing here on your mat. We are going to tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. It means I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini yoga is a devotional practice to your body, to your energy, and to your spirit. Closing down your eyes, taking a nice deep breath in to begin. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Dropping your hands down, keeping your awareness within, keeping the focus on you. And connecting inward with your energy. Lengthening the spine all the way from the tail to the crown. Feeling your shoulders relax back and down. And blinking your eyes open. We're going to get right into it today. So I invite you to come up to standing and we're going to move into a victory run. So we're going to bring our arms out at 90 degrees, take Gyan Mudra, index finger under thumb. As we inhale, we bring our arms together, we lift our right leg, exhale out, other leg. You can pick up the pace. And slow it down. Holding your arms out, settling your breath, floating into stillness. Feeling into the energy all around your body and within. Beautiful work, my friend. Come to the front of the mat. Inhale your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, palms together, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step to plank. Move, belly to cobra. And downward facing dog. Holding here, catching your breath, ironing out your breath. And we are going to move in to a down dog cobra flow. Shifting forward. Inhale, find your cobra. Exhale, down dog. If this is too much, please move into a cat-cow, dropping to your knees. One more. Finding down dog and coming down to easy pose. Left leg, left arm out, palm facing up, right hand in Gaya Mudra, floating into quiet meditation, long, deep breathing. Bringing your left hand down, resting it on your left knee, and take your right arm out to the side, palm facing up. And bring your right hand down to the right knee, find Gaya Mudra. Let's take 3 breaths here. All right. Make your way onto your knees. This is our exhale position. This is our inhale position. Closing down your eyes, focusing on your third eye if it's safe for you to do so. Inhale up, exhale down. Of course, patting the knees with pillows if you need. Let's do 3 more. Perfect. Come into a tabletop, drop the hands underneath the shoulders, move the knees under the hips. We're gonna come into our last posture here, which is a downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips. And then we want to come up onto our fingertips and toe tips and come into a breath of fire. Find this posture wherever you can. If you need to keep your palms flat, if breath of fire is not in your practice today, panting breath through the nose, pumping your belly, then you can just set it aside, okay? Coming up onto the tips, breath of fire. Nice deep breath in. Exhale, find downward facing dog. Drop those heels, drop those palms. Close down your eyes, find your third eye gaze. Iron out your breath here. Come down to your knees, scoot your feet out, and we'll find ourselves all the way on our back in Shavasana. And coming back to your room, back to your body, back to your breath. Inhale your right knee up to your chest. Slowly guide it to the left as you gaze over your right shoulder. Back through center. Let's bring the left leg up. Guide it to the right as you look to the left. And back through center. Grab hold of the backs of your thighs. We'll rock up and come into easy pose. Bringing your hands together at the heart, taking a nice deep breath in to close with the chant Sat Nam, truth is my essence. Deep breath into chant. Sat Nam. Sat Nam, beautiful being of light, of love. I do hope that you enjoyed our practice today. If you are new here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share with a friend. If you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment down below. And if you would like support on your yoga journey through Kundalini Yoga, I will leave several links in the description below. It would be my absolute honor to help you on your journey. All right, bye.